Welcome students, I hope you all are fine. So today we will read Unit 6 of EVS. The name of the unit is A Neighborhood. Repeat it after me, A Neighborhood. Neighborhood, neighborhood. Now, what is the meaning of this word neighborhood? Suppose we all live in an area or in society. There are so many houses in that particular area. So that is called neighborhood. And the people who are living in that houses, they are called our neighbors. So let's begin with the chapter. This is Rita's neighborhood. Now in your books, you can see the picture. This whole beautiful picture, this is Rita's neighborhood. There are many houses in our neighborhood. Many people live in our neighborhood. Now, in Rita's neighborhood, there are many houses. In our neighborhood also there are many houses, and many people live in our neighborhood. People who live in the same neighborhood are called neighbors. Just now I have told you that the people who live in the same neighborhood are called neighbors. Let us walk through Rita's neighborhood and see what is happening. Now we will see what is happening in Rita's neighborhood. We will begin from here. Some of the neighbors have children, some do not. When you see the picture, you will notice that in some houses there are children, like in this one, like in this one, but there is no child in this house. So it is written, some of the neighbors have children, some do not. Some live in a family, some live alone. Some people live with their family, some live alone. Like in this one, this woman is living alone. Some have a pet, others do not. Like this family is having a pet, a cat, but this family is also having a pet, a dog. But this family is not having any pet. So it is written over here, some have a pet, others do not. Sometimes our neighbor is in trouble. Now it do happens, when we live in our neighborhood, sometimes a neighbor is in trouble, he or she is in a kind of difficulty, then the others come to help. Then other must go and help them. It is a moral duty, children, that we should ask our neighbors if they are in any kind of difficulty, that can I help you, can my parents help you, like this. Like you see in this picture also, this man is trying to help this family. Might be this child is ill or he has fallen from somewhere. I don't know what has happened, but you can see there is some kind of difficulty. So this person is trying to help this family. So likewise, we also take responsibility of our neighbors when they have some kind of problem. Some are noisy, some are quiet. Now we can see that some families are so quiet while some are noisy. Places in the neighborhood. A neighborhood has many homes. It also has other buildings and places. Apart from the homes, there are many buildings and places in a neighborhood. Here are some: dairy, taxi stand, restaurant, police station, marketplace, scooter stand, school, doctor's clinic, park, electricity office, cyber cafe. Do you know what is a cyber cafe is? a place where you can do work related to computers. Okay, bank and post office. Now there is an exercise. Tick the ones which are also there in your neighborhood. Now you have to tick those places or buildings which are in your neighborhood. Like in my neighborhood, there is a marketplace, so I have ticked marketplace. There is a restaurant also in my neighborhood, so I have ticked restaurant. So in this way, you tick all those places which are in your neighborhood. Here are some people you may also find in a neighborhood. Do you have them in your neighborhood? Now there in this box there are name of some people. We can easily find them in our neighborhood. Number 1, Dhobi. Children, Dhobi is not an English word. So although it is given in your book, we will not learn Dhobi. Instead of it, we'll learn washerman. Who is a washerman? Who washes and irons our clothes. Next, cobbler, electrician, plumber and sweeper. We will learn more about them when we do the exercises of this unit. So in the next video, we will learn about them a little more and we'll do exercises of this unit. So till then, read this chapter, this unit at least 3 times. Learn the word neighborhood, spell it correctly, learn the spelling of neighborhood, take care of yourself and do well. Stay safe and stay healthy.